Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background so you can always revert. Next, make a precise selection. Quick selection for clear edges, lasso for manual control, or object selection for distinct subjects. Once the area is selected, click Add Layer Mask to hide the part you want gone. This preserves pixels. Now open Select and Mask to smooth and feather the mask by about 0.5 pixels so transitions blend. Make sure to work at 100% view to judge edge quality before proceeding. Once the mask hides the object, switch to Content-Aware Fill for many backgrounds. It analyzes nearby pixels and fills intelligently. If the result shows repeating artifacts, use the Patch tool on a new layer set to sample all layers to paint a better source. For tough spots, use Clone Stamp with a soft brush and low flow, sampled from nearby clean areas, then paint on a new blank layer. Make sure to toggle the mask as you work, so you can see both hidden and revealed areas while blending. To finish, clean remaining flaws with spot healing, and for precise texture work, use frequency separation so color and texture match independently. Clip curves or color balance adjustment layers to the repaired area to match tone and contrast. Sample surrounding colors and nudge midtones until seamless. Finally, sharpen selectively with a high-pass layer if needed. If you get hard or haloed edges, go back to the layer mask and increase feather slightly. Or reopen Select and Mask to smooth and shift edge sliders. This usually fixes visible seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.